Alright, here's the rear sets all done up. Whoops. Okay, so this bracket right here is the one that my buddy Angelos Likos makes. You can get a hold of him on Facebook. He's also on the TNT page. He's also on ZS190 Swap Shop. These move up and down. Awesome. This right here is Triumph 675. It has a big long shaft, so it sticks this out, so it clears all the motor mount bolts, and it's smooth. And then let's go to the other side. Angelos also makes this bracket this bracket right here, this one. It relocates this, instead of being on the rear set for the pegs or for the passengers, it's right here, and it doesn't use the remote with the little can, so you get this. And then it uses this little linkage setup right here. I made this little piece right here, just a bolt, and I welded on a little piece and ground it down, put it on my buffer, made it look nice. And you can see that's how that works. I think it works awesome. The only thing you don't get is a spring, but it comes back pretty quick. So it works pretty good, and that's about as far as you get as far as its play. And again, this folds up. So yeah, pretty excited on how those turned out. And you can get this whole setup, all this, on eBay, along with this little piece here. And there's a bunch of holes on the back, so you can position this piece straight up and down, forward, wherever you need this piece to be. There's a bunch of holes here, and there's 2 holes in this piece, and they provide some countersunk screws, and you screw it to the actual shifter. These things are really nice. They're super thick too. So yeah, pretty excited on how they turned out. The old TNT 450. Oh, put some new tires on. Put some Kenda KD1s, 130, 70 on the rear, and I went with a 120/80 for the front to fill up the gap right here. See, you barely get your finger under there. It'll help out with the speedo. Plus, it gives the bike, it's a little thicker tire than the 120/70. It sits a little fatter. All right, that's the end of that.